ఈరోజు నేను ఫంక్షన్కి వెళ్తున్నాను. ఆ ఫంక్షన్లో నేను మీకు చూపించాను వీడియో కాబట్టి నేను ఒక అమ్మాయిని పరిచయం చేసా. ఏమైనా ఫ్రెండ్ అండ్ షీ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్. ఐఎమ్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్. షీ లైక్స్ ఆల్ బట్ మై దట్ I think and my outers do, and I will show you. See, this is she my friend's house. She house, and this is time bell. I am telling this is time bell, but don't. This is watch. She's showing a watch. That's why this is my that one, and this is my computer. I am daily using this computer, and this is my TV, but I didn't see TV. And this is my laptop, and see cycle. My cycle is there, but I will show. See, see, it is nice, no? That is my full dress. I will show you. Full dress. I will show you. Wait. Can you show you my full dress? Yeah, I know shoe. I'm new dress. I'm house. I'm cuddle. I'm shoes. I'm mother. I'm mommy. I'm daddy. What are you talking, Naidu? I am house. In your house. You tell in your house. I will teach daily only English. Okay? Okay. She don't know English. No. And this is my books calendar. See, this is my book. This is my full. I will show you full dress. See, my face is not there, but I am also full dress. I am no. Okay. Bye. Thank you guys. Maybe ఇది వీడియో చూసారనుకో మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, గంట కొట్టండి అంతే. ఏవో ఛానల్ని తప్ప